never fall in love
Ayan, so siguro gusto nila tayong makilala. Ako po si Ramon.
I'm Marusha.
And I am Joyce. And we are the Glitters.
Yan.
Ayan.
So, habang kumakain kami, sit back, relax, and syempre, enjoy the music that we will be giving you.
Yes.
We will be singing classic songs from the 60s and 70s so that we can all relate.
Yes. And if ever you know the song, don't hesitate.
Yes.
Kanta lang.
We will
Kanta
lang tayo. Gusto
The
natin
more the
mag-join na. Pag alam niyo yung song, maririnig ko ba? Kakanta rin kayo?
Sure,
Sure.
naman sila.
And of course, before we continue, we would like to congratulate Lifeform Global Network, and we wish you all the best and success to your company.
Oo.
Yan.
So in short, magpayaman po tayong lahat, tama?
Sali ka